Hey all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video I am going to share with you all a makeover of my shoe rack and a small touch up in my entryway. So let's get started. Before beginning this video, I wanted to inform you all that this video has been taken along with my previous summer living room decorating videos, but I didn't had any time to publish this video. Now only I got this time to publish. Okay, now let's move on to this video. Initially my shoe rack is grey in color. I wanted to make it as a white. Since my living room furnitures are white in color, for this I am using this white wallpaper. While putting the stickers for the drawers and cupboard doors, firstly we have to remove the handles to paste the stickers properly, and then we can fix back the handles. By doing this, we have a clear and perfect finishing. And this wallpaper is suitable for use on the tables, walls or any cabinets, etc. Near the shoe rack I don't have any plug point, so I have used to lit the lamp with the help of a battery operated under cabinet light. As I have already mentioned in my previous videos, this storage box helps me in multi-purpose. I am using this to store my shoes and my husband's shoes as well. Not only storing, it also helps as a seat while putting on the shoes. Especially my kids use this place to wear their shoes. I have not made any changes on the wall, just kept it like that itself. Moving on to Buddha area, I have just removed the pink flowers and kept back white flowers along with the artificial green leaves. like my small makeover video and keep supporting and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.